In this video, I'll guide you through how to get verified on Substack by confirming your email address. Verification is important because it helps secure your account, makes your publication look more trustworthy to readers, and ensures you receive important updates and notifications. We'll go step by step, slowly and clearly, so you can follow along even if you're brand new to Substack. First, open your browser and go to substack.com. You can type the address directly into the bar at the top of your screen. If you already have an account, make sure you're logged in. If you're not logged in, go ahead and sign in with your usual details. Once you're on the main Substack dashboard, you're ready for the next part. Now look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see an icon with 3 horizontal lines. This is often called the menu or hamburger icon. Click those 3 lines to open the main navigation menu. This menu is where Substack keeps lots of your account and publication options, so it's useful to know where it is for future changes too. With the menu open, find and click on the option labeled Settings. This will take you to your Substack settings page where you can manage things like your publication details, account information, and of course, your email address. Give the page a moment to load and then look for the section related to your email. On the settings page, locate the area that shows your current email address. There should be a small edit option next to it. Go ahead and click Edit. This tells Substack you want to change or confirm the email associated with your account. Even if your email is already correct, using the edit option is how you'll trigger the verification process. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Type in the address you actually use and have access to right now. Make sure there are no typos, extra spaces, or missing characters because the verification message will be sent to exactly what you enter here. Take a second to double check it before you continue. When you're sure it's correct, confirm or save the change. Once you've entered and saved your email, Substack will send a verification email to that address. This is the key step in getting verified. Open a new tab or switch over to your email inbox. Look for a message from Substack that mentions verifying your email. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or promotions folder just in case it landed there by mistake. It may take a minute or two to arrive. When you find the email, open it and look for the verification link or button inside. Click that link. This action confirms to Substack that the email address belongs to you and is active. After you click, you may be taken back to Substack and your email should now be marked as verified. That's all there is to it. You've gone to Substack, opened the menu, entered your settings, updated your email, and verified it through your inbox. By completing these steps, you've helped secure your account and moved closer to building a more professional, trusted presence on Substack.